Hello learners, welcome to today's session on generative AI, and specifically on an important architecture called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, commonly known as RAG. I promise this will be clear, concise, and up-to-date with no misleading or outdated information. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a technique that enhances large language models, LLMs, by letting them fetch and use external information before generating responses. Instead of relying solely on what the model learned during training, RAG allows the model to access up-to-date domain-specific sources, like documents, databases, or knowledge bases at query time. This helps produce more accurate, context-aware, and trustworthy answers. Wikipedia solves Squirrel. Traditional LLMs are powerful, but they have limitations. Their training data is static, maybe outdated, and they occasionally produce believable but incorrect outputs, known as hallucinations. RAG was developed to overcome these by grounding AI responses in real, verifiable sources. It first surfaced in 2020 through a paper authored by Meta AI researchers including Patrick Lewis. Here's the RAG pipeline. Indexing. Prepare external documents, embed them into vectors, and store them in a vector database. Retrieval. On receiving a user's query, the system finds the most relevant documents via semantic similarity search. Augmentation. The retrieved snippets are fed into the LLM alongside the original query. Generation. The LLM uses both its internal knowledge and the external info to craft a grounded, accurate response. Wikipedia solves. Squirrel Salesforce. As of 2025, RAG isn't just a tech curiosity, it's essential for enterprise-grade AI. Why? Accuracy and trust. Grounded responses reduce hallucinations and improve user confidence. Timeliness. Instead of retraining the model, you just need to update the knowledge base. Compliance and control. Enterprises can include proprietary, regulated, or internal data securely. Squirrel solves Wall Street Journal Tech Radar. Let's dive into what's new in RAG as of mid-2025. Adaptive retrieval mechanisms. These systems tailor retrieval in real time to user intent and query complexity, improving precision by up to 15% in domains like legal analysis. Chitika.com Dynamic and Parametric RAG. Dynamic RAG adjusts when and what to retrieve during generation. Parametric RAG shifts retrieved knowledge into model parameters for efficiency. Retrieval Agentic RAG. Here, autonomous AI agents guide the retrieval generation cycle, planning tool use and iterating through complex tasks. Retrieval Collaborative Multi-Agent RAG. Specialized agents handle different data sources like databases, documents, graphs, dramatically improving speed and accuracy across diverse data environments. Retrieval Document Management Integration. Effective RAG requires high-quality input. Robust document management systems, DM, now help organize and contextualize information so RAG can function optimally. Tech Radar. In India, we have a compelling example of RAG in action. Kanpur collaborated with the Uttar Pradesh police to launch an AI chatbot. It uses RAG to let users query over 1,000 Hindi police circulars using natural language queries. This improves transparency, access to policies, and citizen awareness. The Times of India. RAG is powerful, but it's not flawless. LLMs can still hallucinate. Even when using retrieved facts, they might misinterpret or merge conflicting sources. Retrieving factually correct but misleading documents can lead to inaccurate conclusions. Systems may not know when to express uncertainty if relevant information is absent. Wikipedia Archive. To deal with this, enterprises must implement careful document curation, transparency, and fallback strategies. To wrap up, RAG augments LLMs by incorporating external knowledge at query time, enhancing accuracy, reliability, and timeliness. It evolved from a 2020 innovation and has become a strategic necessity for enterprise AI in 2025. Cutting-edge trends like adaptive, dynamic, agentic, and multi-agent RAG are driving the next wave of innovation. Real-world projects and strong document management reinforce RAG's value and readiness. Thank you for watching. I hope this equips you with both a solid understanding and current perspective on RAG. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore related topics like vector DBs, DM systems for AI, or specific RAG frameworks.